What's going on, everybody? It's a nice, beautiful Sunday. Right now, I'm heading over to my friend Eros's place to go get my fenders rolled because I'm rubbing on my tires, which sucks. This side has it the worst. This one's decent. And today I also received in the mail a pair of headlights. Let me see if I can bring up the information about them. So these ones are 8K ice blue colored LEDs. And I got them for 17 bucks. I used to have the same ones on my old car and they shined bright. And I have no complaints about them. Let's start off with the cold start. I want you guys to hear how bad it's gonna rub right now. But for the most part, when I'm driving on the freeway or streets, it goes away. But only when I turn, it starts to rub. It sucks. So I lied, these are actually fog lights and they're not headlight bulbs. I already tried to fit one into the housing, but it didn't fit.
So if they wanted to, they could come up on your fog lights?
I guess so.
I'm gonna come up on your fog lights. Alright.
Alright.
Pull it out.
You push it, when both screws are out, you put it towards that way to pull it out.
Damn.
What's up, everybody? Picking up the camera, getting ready for the gym right now. About to head out. Woo. Gotta rep the team. Good for nothing. So the other day I received the package in the mail for my map lights and my dome light. And I think I blew a fuse. So I'm gonna let you guys see that right now. It's gonna be dark. Yeah, they don't turn on. Let's see if this one turns on. Just barely flickers. Yeah, it's done for. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I blew a fuse, but I threw away the other ones. I threw away my other lights because these were working for like a good day, and then they just shut off. Don't know why, so I had to use my flashlight for my phone. Two cold starts in one day? What?
Bluetooth connect.
So yeah, earlier today I did get my fenders rolled and no more rubbing in the back. The gap is now closed. The side's tucked in. So earlier today I did raise the front after getting the fenders rolled, and before I was maxed out 4 inches, and I raised it just a tiny bit today, and now I'm not rubbing anymore in the front, which is good because every time I would turn or hit like the slightest dip, all you heard in my car is which to me was nah. You can't be living with that. I don't want to break people's necks with that noise. I'd rather break them with my exhaust. Oh, and let me show you guys my fog lights too at nighttime. Sick. Originally what I wanted to do was yellow fog lights, blue headlights. So these are gonna get swapped out pretty soon, not sure when, but they will eventually. And I'm gonna be ordering some headlight bulbs because I don't really like the blue fog lights. I'd rather have blue LEDs and yellow fogs. Looks nice though, but it's not really what I want. Ooh, I don't see that every day. A green underglow on looks to be a newer Civic. I'd say like 2018. Ugh. And I'm not always gonna be that person that hates on everybody and their cars. You know, I mean, we all have different tastes. I'm not gonna be that guy that goes to like a car and be like, oh, your car's shit, this and that. No, I'm not a judgmental person like that. I mean, I'll keep the rude comments to myself, or I'll just tell like a friend of mine like, hey, that car's ugly, or something like that. But I will never be a dick about it and be like, oh, the fuck, why'd you do that? Like, no, we all have different tastes. We all have a different view on what we want to do with our cars. But no, I'll always be that one person that's supportive of you and do what you got to do to get your car the way you want it. That's just me. I don't know about others. Other people are just dicks about it. Sometimes they're cocky. But oh well. Dude, listen to my exhaust. Get old to me. The way the VTEC cracks is aggressive. I love it. It's the best sound ever. Let's see if I scrape on these without turning. Oh. We do. Anyways, I made it. Anyways, yeah, I made it to the gym, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.